NASDAQ this week has rise in value, and we can see the price started with this bullish candle. The price rised all the way to up over 20,783 and then skyrocketed down with a strong bearish candle, where this bearish candle has engulfed previous three candles, a strong bearish signal. On a Friday, the price reversed back up, trying to move again in the upwards, but the price returned slightly back down because of this strong wick. We can see a selling pressure here. It is located around this price level. A weekly time frame shows us currently indecision candle with the open price very close to the close price, but a larger wick on the upper side, smaller wick on the lower side, which means indecision between the buyers and the sellers. But the previous week bullish breakout has been confirmed, with this candle not returning back below this support level 20,000. A monthly time frame shows us another bullish candle. Nothing too much to show here because we have 2 more weeks until this month closes. Everything is still open, so it is very important for the bulls to stay above 20,000 in order to verify and also create another bullish candle, which will be a bullish month. For the weekly time frame, this currently is indecision candle. For me, this is indication that there is high probability that the price will continue to rise in value. The daily time frame shows me that this is a very important support level, so the price could return back down, just confirming this support level and then bouncing back up, trying to reach again higher price levels and reaching again all-time high. Will that happen? This will be shown on a Monday and a Tuesday, when usually the market forms the trend for the rest of the week, like in this example. So will the price go down? If the price go down, close the day below, this will indicate there is a decline that could reach this one, 19,731. If the price goes up, and very important current level that the price needs to broke to the upper side is this one, 20,500, we can round its number, and second one will be this one, where the open and close price of these two candles, which will mean 20,700. If the price closes above on the daily time frame, this will be indication that the price will continue to rise in value, reaching again very close to 21,000. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.